All right, guys, this is my third video on AVCT today, and I tried to break it up because there was a decent amount of information. If you didn't see the one on FUD, please watch it because it's very important you are aware of those warrants. But going into this one, I want to talk about the amazing amount of volume that came into this play on Friday and what I see going forward for the week ahead. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, AVCT traded 3 1/3 times the complete volume of the stock. Like, it traded the entire free float over 3 1/3 times. That's just crazy, guys, because it has a huge free float. So let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD. And if you could, hit that like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it as it helps out the algorithms and to get this information out there. All right, guys, I'm going to start with a brief recap for those of you that are new to this play. AVCT traded up 9% or 3 cents on Friday with a high reaching 42 cents. So that was significantly more than where it closed at 36 cents. It was up an additional 2 cents or 6% in the after hours, guys. And essentially what you're seeing here is a pattern of consolidation with a slight move up higher. On the week, though, we were up 17 cents or 90.5%, which is huge. Unbelievable. That is great news, guys. And in the past month, we're up 159.94%. And for all of you naysayers out there, when this had dipped back down to whatever it was, 18 cents, I just want you to know that I told you it would come back up. You need to be patient. Plays like this that have a lot of manipulation, they're not going to go away easily. So you got to weather the storm for the big reward. Or you can trade in and out of it. It's up to you how you want to play this. That is not my job to tell you where to buy or where to sell. That is on you and only you. And you need to be responsible for those movements. Now, in the past 3 months, we're up 8%. But guys, in the past year, we're down $2.51 or 87%. And in the past 5 years, we are down 96.27%. And I'm telling you this not to be a negative Nilly, but to just remind you that there's a huge upside potential in this play, especially if we do get bought up, as rumors are saying. Now, currently, there is 92.82 million shares in the free float, guys. And on normal, we trade a little over half of that every day, 55 million shares. However, on Friday, we traded 3 1/3 times that. 310.19 million shares were traded on Friday. That is just insane. That is a huge amount of volume. And guys, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm going to be in just a minute because it's very interesting what happened on Friday. Now, AVCT, it looks like it's forming a cup to me. So I'm interested to see if this goes back and hits 45 or 52 cents, because ultimately 52 cents was the high that may have been hit in the after hours, which may be why we're seeing 45 on this chart. But I'm curious to see if it comes back up, hits that, has a pullback, and then shoots to the upside. But you can see volume is coming in, so our MACD is curling to the upside along with the volume. But here's where I say I hate to be a bearer of bad news. But you need to be aware of this. And I'm not saying the price is going to go down, but this is the inflow versus the outflow. Inflow is 35.8 and the outflow was 38.74, meaning the outflow was larger than the inflow despite the fact that the price went up. So price rises and capital flows out. Some capital is exiting or short positions are being established. And guys, there's 2 ways to look at that, and either way can be correct. You know, it was Friday before the weekend. People may have been day trading it and exiting the position, taking their gains. Or guys, which is why I want you to watch the FUD video, because certain people are encouraging people to short this stock at 40 or 45 cents. And that may be what we're seeing here. Now, that doesn't mean come Monday that those shorts don't close their positions and go long, or that, you know, people that sold before the weekend for profits don't re-enter if we're moving back to the upside. But it's important that we know that there is potential that this price could be getting shorted again. So I just want to bring it to your attention. I still think that we're trending this weekend. Number 4 on Webull. And guys, it's the weekend. Look at what's above us. SHIB, Luna, Bitcoin, or I should say Terra. But then AVCT. We're the only stock between that, Ethereum, and then AMC. Then Doge. So guys, like, this is huge right here. The fact that we're trading number 4 on Webull is very positive and makes me think that we're going to continue this trend to the upside. It's very, very bullish to me. So, like I said, not stirring up FUD, but I'm not going to be an injustice and just tell you all good. I have to tell you other things that I see as well. So, just so you know, I've only added to my position. I haven't sold anything at this point, and I plan to continue to just keep it or add more if we get dips. So, if we do get a dip, that will be an opportunity for me to buy more. Now, as far as ratings go, we only have one analyst that's ranked us, and we are 100% a buy with a $7 average price target, or the only price target. But here's where things get really bullish, in my opinion. Check out the technical analysis on this. It is giving off a strong bullish signal. And we've had 8 bullish signals triggered and only 1 bearish, which was prior to any of these bullish, so it doesn't really count. But it's telling us that we're going to, in the short and medium term, we are going to go to the upside, okay? This is a positive thing. And these are the reasons why. So anyone that's into TA, I'll read them real quick. Commodity Channel Index, price crosses above the 21-day moving average. Short-term KST, Williams percentage R, moving average convergence divergence, the MACD. Momentum, guys, momentum is huge in this play right now. By the way, it's trending on StockTwits this weekend as well. Fast, the FSTO, the fast stochastic, double moving average crossover, the 21-day and the 50-day we crossed above, guys. And that bearish signal, just so you're aware, we've already erased it. That was back on 9/13 when we had a triple moving average crossover, which was actually a cross under. We crossed below the 4/9/18 days on that dip, but we've already moved back above those. So no worries there, guys. I really think we're going to have a very bullish continuation of this trend. So please, I'm only giving you an update regarding that shorts could be entering this play because, guys, they don't give up. Let's just face it. I mean, I don't know what it's going to take for them, but they don't give up. So heads up to that. Hopefully it's just profit taking, or we see that turnaround come Monday morning. So excited to see what this week has in store for AVCT. I really think that the rate we're going, we could easily close above 50 cents this week. So time will tell. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.